video, and today I want to do a pinky peachy look. So I hope that's how it will turn out. I really like pink and peach looks, and I'll be also using new products today. This is the Innisfree cream blusher in the shade 4 Silky Strawberry, and it looks very beautiful. I've tried it on my hand and once on my cheek, but I didn't blend it out. I don't know why, but it was really hard to blend out. I will try it again today. And this is Chanel Le Blanc Light Revealing Whitening Fluid Foundation. It's SPF 30, and I have the shade 20 Beige. This seems to be only on the Asian market. This is how the pump look like. I never tried it before, and we will be trying it out today, so it's our first impressions. So because there's construction upstairs seems to be, I don't want this video to be very noisy and have many different noises. So I'm just going to do the thing where I just make up and then put music over it. And please ignore my nails, I will repaint them later. So let's get on to the video. Smells very nice. I think I use enough amount of it. They have a natural coverage. I really like how it makes my skin look. And now I will be putting a little bit of powder all over my face. This is the CANMAKE Marshmallow powder. I will be using this beautiful color on my lip today. This is my favorite highlighter so far. It's really beautiful. It looks like white highlighter, but have blue shins into it. This highlighter is from Makeup Academy. I think they are called the Undress Your Skin highlighter, but this is a newer version or older version of it. It's called the Shimmer Highlight Powder, and it's really beautiful. From here it looks like white. This is the shade Pearl-Descent Sheen. And then when I swatch it on my hand, it have a blue sheen to it, and it's really beautiful. shade 12.